Okay, so Excel, as we know, it's an electronic spreadsheet which runs on Windows computers. So on every computer that you see nowadays, they have a Microsoft Suite application, which one of the most used software is the Microsoft Excel. And we are going to be looking at Excel throughout this course. So we're going to be starting with the reasons why Excel has grown to be a very potent tool in the workplace and also a tool for productivity. So one of the reasons is because you can enter data very quickly and accurately using Excel, all right? So we can use Excel to do data entry, entering information and very quickly and accurately. Excel has shown to be a potent tool as compared to the pen and paper method of writing things down. Excel can take millions and hundreds of millions of information just in one spreadsheet and more billions in a workbook. So that's why we say our first point is it can be used to enter data quickly and accurately. Excel can also be used to calculate and recalculate easily. It can take alphanumeric characters, whereby we can use it to fix errors, should we have any, when we're working with the software. Then one of the most powerful functions of Excel is what we call the what-if analysis. This what-if analysis is the logical ability that has been programmed into Microsoft Excel, meaning that once we set Excel using some form of conditions, it can give us different answers per different conditions once such conditions are met. That is what we mean by perform what-if analysis. And during the course of this course, we are going to do a lot of that. Then it can be used to change appearance of information easily and accurately. Excel is very visually appealing, all right? And you can use it to come up with information, to create information, and to present information beautifully, which is also a strong tool for those of you that will be doing presentation maybe during your job recruitment process, or if you're working in an organization to your superiors and the like. Creating charts. You can use Excel to create beautiful charts through the workbook. You can do the bar charts, the pie charts, the line charts, the histogram. All these are examples of charts that can come up using Excel. Then we can use Excel to share information with other users. Okay, that can be done very easily and accurately. That is the 6th point. Then we can share our work in form of a workbook with existing one, and also create new workbooks from anyone that has been existing quickly. So we can replicate Excel files quickly and accurately for optimal solutions. So these are some of the few of the many reasons why Excel has come up to be a potent tool for usage in data management, data analysis, and as well storage of data. Now let's move on to a spreadsheet. What do we define by a spreadsheet? A spreadsheet is likened to a sheet of paper which has thousands of rows and millions of columns. So And a spreadsheet can contain a number, as we see here, like 47, 34.123 minus 99. It can contain a string of text, like take for instance, today is Tuesday, and apparently today is Tuesday, right? So it can take a single alphabet like X, or multiple alphabets like data, etc. You can also impute formulas or a function in Excel. The objective of our spreadsheet is to provide a large visible data storage area, which is a powerful programmable calculator, and also at the same time help us to create sophisticated graphs. All right. And we have several lab exercises which will help us to use and bring out these functions of Excel with real power. Okay. And by the time you're done, you must have thrown your electronic calculator somewhere. Because since I started using Excel, like I tell people, I do not use any form of calculator again. My calculator is my Excel. All right. Because this also has a function of programming. For those of you that will continue with the data science, data analytics course, we will do more on that. But the foundations of all programming language, I tell people that care to listen, is found in Excel. Okay, so that is for a spreadsheet. So how about workbooks? What is a workbook or a worksheet? So when we say a workbook, this is a file that saves our work. You can call it the parent file. So a workbook has several spreadsheets. It can also have one spreadsheet. Okay. So, but when you now have a spreadsheet in a workbook, you call it a worksheet. All right. But when you now have several sheets, it now becomes a workbook. Just like when you are flipping through a book, you see that a book has several sheets. So the same is applicable. And you can have up to 203 spreadsheets in a workbook. Okay? So we're going to jump straight down into the first task of the day, which is the basic formatting of Excel.